Good morning, everybody. So today is my first day at work, and currently my baby is very sick. He's having a high fever, which is 38.1 the last time I checked. So I kind of worried because I will not be able to take care of him during this time that he's very sick. But actually, he is playing yesterday even if he's having a high fever. So earlier I kind of feel like I don't want to proceed to work, but I really have to. I really need this work. I really need to work for us. So this is one of the sacrifices a mother can do for the future of their child. So I'm currently having my breakfast, just bread and some butter. So yeah, I will see you guys again later when I already arrive at my working place, at my new working place. Answer diaper. Let's take it off. 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 See? And mommy will wipe your tiny little. You have to poop, huh? Do you feel bad? What are you feeling, my love? Ay, diaper. Shoes. Hey everybody, so the time now is 6:42 a.m. and I am now heading to catch some vehicle going to my working place. You know what, it's really hard. It's really hard to left your sick baby with the babysitter, because you know a mother's care is really different from a babysitter. So but I have to do it. I have to do this. So yeah, I'll see you again later. Hi everybody, update. So I left home at around 6:42 and I got here at around 15 minutes before 8 in the morning, and my schedule is actually 8:30 a.m. So I'm a bit early. I arrived a bit early, which is really good because I still needed to prepare my face. You know, for me, physical appearance is very important for me to have a good day. So I am currently alone here at the meeting room and waiting for my batchmates or my co-employee who are going to start also today. So yeah, I kind of worried because my baby back home is really sick, but my sister is there, and my sister is today's birthday, so it's her birthday today, and she actually planned to go out later. And but I saw from the CCTV that she's the one who's taking care of my baby. She's the one who's making him sleep. So I'm grateful that I have my sister. So grateful that I have her always. Anyway, guys, I felt like nervous at the same time. I'm eager to pursue this job because I really need this. It's hard, guys. So for those who are the same like me, who are a single mom and trying to make a living, trying to make your own money, so what I can only advise you is to not lose hope and to keep doing for your dreams and goals. Because one day, I'm so distracted because of the people behind me. So yeah, just stay strong. To all of the singles mom there, to all of the single moms there, just be strong, be courageous, have full of courage, and always talk to God, because He's the only one who can really help you in the situations like this. He is the one who can guide you with the best solution or how you can address the problem properly. So anyway, I am still thankful for this job, for this opportunity, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Still waiting here for others. New experience. Ganito din ba kayo dati sa ganitong ano? Okay lang sir, sama ka. Galing na. Okay guys. Pang ano. Hey everybody, it is now turning 1. So, I just got finished with my lunch.
Bago balik kung dito sa left, or sila sa left, or sila sa right, check nila bawat pinto, tuturo nila yon, then sabihin nila, okay na dito sa left, okay na dito sa right, pwede nang tumawid, parang mga pwede nang umalis. So katulad lang din ito yun. Observe, stop point, and call confirmation before crossing. So, yan. And meron din tayong tinatawag na 5S. Ano nga ba yung 5S? So bago i-start yan, meron din tayong tinatawag na Toyota Way. Ayan, meron tayong meron tayo dito ang tinatawag na Toyota Way na every time before matapos yung before mag-start yung work nyo, 5 minutes before work and 5
schedule ng break.
Ito po ang CRD department natin. Si Sir Louie, si Ma'am Ali, si Ma'am MJ, si Sir Joms, si Si Sir Jobs,
Hindi ko
ayun.
sila kilala, Sir Jan.
Kasi yung sa labas,
Hindi
si
sila kilala.
Sir Ron po, mga bago nating MP. Tapos si Sir Allen, parts counter po natin. Si Ma'am Jocelyn, accounting supervisor po. And si Ma'am Nancy, ang mga kasama niyo po dito. CRD staff, ayun po. Mga kasama niyo po.
Hello,
Yes,
ma'am.
so ayun. Ikot lang po ulit kami. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you po.
Ako naman. Oh, bilis. 2 minutes before 6 in the evening. I'm done with my first day today. Again, everybody, it's turning 6 p.m. now and my first day at work is already done. I'm heading home now and it is already, I mean, the traffic is really heavy now during this hour. So, good luck to me if I could be able to catch some vehicle right away. So yeah, that's all for this content. I hope you guys did like it and enjoyed watching. If you did like it, give me a thumbs like, if you only want to. So hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. See you again soon.